The PIMP Group presents Evaluating the Impact of a K-12 Laptop Program. Part 2, Preliminary Analysis. To begin our analysis, we must ask ourselves, who are the stakeholders in this pilot one-to-one laptop program? Of course, there are the students and parents, the school's principals and teachers, the PTA and the community at large. There's local industry who needs a trained workforce. And finally, there is the benefactor, Mr. Cook, who is an owner of one of the local industries. So in regards to this laptop program, what are the stakeholders concerned about? Principals may want to know what new discipline issues have arisen since implementing the laptop program. Teachers want to compare individual student growth as opposed to achievement. Parents want guidance on laptop use at home, and students want to be reassured that they'll have these laptops through graduation. The Industry Foundation Board wants to know the maintenance and replacement costs going forward. Mr. Cook wants to know how long until we can see growth in test scores. Answers to these questions will take time, and the time is given when Mr. Cook decides to extend the pilot program another year. To best answer the questions, in the second year, the formal evaluation of the program will have to be reconsidered. What other factors can be examined to determine how student use of laptops affects learning? We can look at individual student growth as well as achievement in each academic area, individual growth of special needs and ESL students, consider teacher job satisfaction, examine increased technology implementation in the classroom, determine new skills learned by teachers and students, examine student behaviors and attitudes towards learning, and examine the increase or decrease in parental involvement. To measure the achievement and program goals and to address the stakeholders' questions, new evaluation methods are needed. Some of these evaluation methods could include anonymous reaction sheets, teacher evaluations by self, peers, and principal, student electronic evaluations, task analyses, and electronic logs are just some of the tools that can be used to address the concerns. These would be ongoing throughout the year. For more details on the target, sequence, and outcome analysis of the evaluations, please see our case study analysis document. End of Part 2. Please watch our video on Part 3, The Implications of Instructional Design.